Karachi shines through endless nights. Dreams are rising with every wave. A city of courage, bold and brave. Every sunrise paints a brand new start. Every heartbeat echoes from the heart. Energy of Karachi, burning so bright. Serenity of Islamabad, peaceful delight. One inspires the soul to fly. One lets every dream touch the sky. Together they tell Pakistan's story, a land of beauty, hope, and glory. Of Karachi, serenity of Islamabad. Beneath the marble, the mountains high, gentle breezes whisper by. Green horizons, calm and clear, a place where